mint. You can't beat that. Oregano, it just enriches everything. The sense of sight, because you can see it, you've got smell, and of course you get sound because a lot of the bees will come to the flowers, especially on the chives, and of course the tactility of the different textures are great to get the kids involved as well. And you can grow herbs quite easily. A lot of them originate from the Mediterranean, so I might do a bit of work while I'm here. Originate from the Mediterranean, so you can quite easily grow them in containers. If you've got them mounted on the wall outside your window, remember the eaves of the house come out a little bit, and sometimes after a heavy rainfall you think they're watered, but they're not, because obviously it's deflected from the roof. But planting couldn't be easier. You're better off planting mint in a container than just straight in the border, because it can grow like a weed from its roots. So I'm just going to put, what should I put in? I'll put the mint in. This is just a little wall trough here. I've already put the peat-free compost in. There we go. A little bit of thyme. Eventually they outgrow the containers, of course. The secret when you're planting a herb pot is to think of it only as a one-season affair, because the plants will grow, and then you want to plant them out into your borders as bigger plants, and then next year put a few more in. But the big thing is to make sure you crop regularly. So effectively, something like parsley, for instance, will just keep growing and growing. If you trim on a regular basis, you're encouraging more growth, but don't pull off too many leaves, of course, otherwise you're going to exhaust the plant. So planting up herbs in containers, they actually look pretty good in pots. This is something that we grew last year. Obviously they just started to get going. What have we got? Oh, sage here is another one. In fact, I'm going to put that sage in there. There we go. Sage is lovely. This is a purple one. You can get the green varieties, just a straight green. But it's marvellous. I like sage. It's not just for stuffing. I like sage in with cheese as well. You get this lovely sage cheese. The flavour is fantastic. Lovely red wine. Combination's great. And this plant here will fill that container, and it's extremely forgiving if you forget to water. For more helpful gardening videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video.